Gyro, 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 gyro. It is a noun word, which refers to a Greek dish of roasted meat served in a pita, that's similar to other dishes such as the Arab shawarma, Canadian doner, and Mexican al pastor, all of which are derived from the Turkish doner kebab. This word also could be pronounced as gyro, which is a short term for gyroscope or gyrocompass, that indicating a rotating or gyrating motion. Let's use this word in a sentence as a Greek dish. Gyro is one of the most popular Greek dishes. Gyro. If you find it helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons to get notified for more. Thank you so much.